Got ourselves a G35. When you can't afford to put a new exhaust on, this is what you do. Went to a recycle place and got these spare pieces of pipe, cut out the resonator, which is right there. There's Steven. Anyways, this is the ghetto way of getting your exhaust done. If you want just a straight pipe. Yeah, that's how we're doing it. Back to the G35. Except this time we're not doing the exhaust. We're doing an engine swap. Other engine blew up. It's a mission. We just got this car. It was ex-wife's, my brother Steven's. She got in a rear end accident. Jeep hit her and barely put a scratch on his bumper. But yeah, coincidence, engine blew up on the other one. And this one came up, so now we're swapping the engines. Oh, and transmission, obvious. Alright guys. What's up you guys? Check this out. Custom air intake. This is right here is stock. This is stock. And this piece over here is also stock. What you do is, right here is a square part. It's only square inside of here with 4 bolts. You just cut the edges all the way around till it's circle. You can just add on these attachments like this full air intake filter. You buy these tubes. We got this one used. You could buy them at any hardware store pretty much. Little kits and stuff. But if you wanted to get things done fast and cheap, that's how we do it. It's pretty much where you just plug up. Yeah, just did the engine swap. We just got this in the car right now. Alright, so the G35 is now gone. We got the other engine, we put it in, and then believe it or not, we traded it for this 350Z. My brother did. Came with like brand new tires. Got a nice hood on it. Has like this carbon fiber top on it. But hell yeah. Who says you can't trade a normal car for a nice car? I don't remember exactly what the problems were. I think a few plugs were unplugged on the car. It was making it run bad. Got them all plugged up. Put a new exhaust. Same thing how we did the other one in the previous video. Alright, that's it. It's a lucky trade right here.